a beginner in any kind of martial art? Do you wish to train in martial arts or taekwondo from home? Are you already a martial artist and you wish to resume your training like those old nostalgic days? Then this video is for you, because in this video we'll be talking about few important things that you have to consider while you're training from home. The first important thing that you need to consider is your training days. Ask yourself, how many days do you get trained in a week? Are you giving importance to the rest days? How much time do you give for a recovery after an injury or excessive training? These are few important things you need to consider if you're getting trained from home, or even if you're joining any kind of academy for your martial arts training. If you still don't have any idea on how to organize your training days, then here is something I want to recommend to you. If you're a newbie, then please at least have 4 to 5 training days in a week, and the remaining days will be your rest days. When you are training from home, that is, if you're giving 2 hours or 1 hour for training, so just organize it into segments. When it comes to dividing your training session into different segments, the first segment should be for warm-up. Believe me, warm-up is very effective if you want to stretch deeper in your muscles or you want to kick higher. Please give at least 5 to 10 minutes for a proper warm-up where you can go a proper jumping, you can do planks, you can do crunches, and just make it a quick kind of workout so that your muscles are properly warmed up, and then you can stretch them even deeper during your kicking sessions. If you want to see a quick warm-up routine, then please check out my warm-up routine before stretching. The link is given in description. The second slot of your training should be assigned to the preparatory stretching. In this, you're going to perform some preparatory stretches which will help you to flex your muscles properly, and then so that you can have a proper control over your kicks. Here you can do some basic lunges, straddle, pancake, or something like that. And as I've already told you, there are various stretching routines in my channel, so you can check out any of the stretching routines as the preparatory stretches. The third segment of your training will be assigned to the kicking session. So I think this was the thing that you have been waiting for. When it comes to kicking session, all of us consider different kind of drills over this. Like for example, many of you might be going some slide kicks in the air in order to master your techniques, in order to amend your techniques, and few of you might be going for explosive kicking over the bob or kicking pads. So it depends upon person to person basically. But if you're a newbie, if you're starting from 0 level, I would recommend you to perform the simple martial art kicks, that is the basic beginner's martial art kicks in the air. Just make it a slot of 20 front kicks, 20 side kicks, 20 roundhouse kicks, 20 axe or hammer kicks, or 20 spin hook kicks. Just perform all the kicks that you know 20 times in the air. Don't set a target right now. This is going to be the preparatory drills for your kicking. So here, first drill is going to consist of 20 kicks. That is going to be 20 front kicks, 20 roundhouse kicks, 20 side kicks, 20 axe kicks, 20 hook kicks, and so on. It depends upon you. And after you are done with these basic preparatory kicking drills, you can go for ped work, you can go for explosive kicking, you can also go for sparring, kick higher, you can go for stronger kicks, strengthening, endurance training, etc. Now comes the fourth segment. Basically, I gave it importance, but it all depends upon you. You can neglect this segment. You can make it as intense stretching, or you can take it as a cool down. But please don't forget, the first segment will consist of a proper warm-up routine. Second segment will consist of the stretching routine, which could be the preparatory stretches or any kind of stretch, static or dynamic stretches. The third session will consist of kicking drills where you can have any targeted kicks or any kind of kicks as per your own wish. And the fourth segment, it can vary from person to person. If you want to work more on flexibility, just make this fourth segment as your intense flexibility training, or otherwise just make it a part of your workout or just a cool down. If you genuinely like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please share it with your training partners, because it may happen that they might get a help. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, dude, what are you doing? Please click that subscribe button so that you can get all the latest tutorials from my channel regarding martial arts, flexibility, and much random stuff. For the beginners who are just watching this video, guys, if you ever feel like giving up, don't give up. Just keep that spirit up in yourself. Just remind yourself why you started, because I know that the beginning is always difficult but the end is beautiful. Trust me. So see you in the next video and keep smiling.